Welcome to the GPS map camera tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to use the Add Manual Location feature to fix inaccurate GPS stamps on your photos. Sometimes, the GPS location on your photos may not be accurate due to weak GPS signals. But don't worry. Now you can manually add the correct address to your stamp. Let's see how it works. Open the GPS map camera app. If the location is not accurate, tap on the Locations button. Here, you can see your current location, but sometimes it may be not accurate. To fix this, press the plus button to add a new manual location. Now, you can adjust your location by swiping the map. As you move the map, the coordinates and address will update automatically. Next, add a title to remember your location. For example, let's name it Client 25 Verification. After that, select a range to mark your specific area. You can also edit the location line 1 by simply tapping on it. Once done, press the checkmark button at the top right corner. Now, you can see your correct location listed under the In Range section. Just tap on your correct location to turn it on, and it's done. Now you can see on your stamp that your correct location is clearly displayed. Now the question is, what is range? The green circle on the map represents the range. When you enter this range, the saved manual location will automatically appear in the stamp. If you move outside the range, the saved manual location will shift to the Out of Range section, and your correct location will be displayed on the stamp accordingly. Now you know how to use the Add Manual Location feature in GPS Map Camera. Try it today for more accurate location stamps with India's #1 authentic app.